So I should have realized coming into turn 7 here that there was an issue. So I brake at the same point that I always brake. And usually I'm all the way inside on the blue and orange rumble strips to the right. And look how far it took me over. Let's go back. So usually right here, I'm cutting right tight across, and it took me all the way out here, almost into the dirt. I always brake at the 400, gave it a little extra gas to make the pass brake right at the 400. Coming down, just absolutely no chance of stopping. I mean, went off track 60 mile an hour. Wasn't even coming close to making the turn there. One more time. Make the pass, 400, same spot I always brake. Crazy.